Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup MongoDB AI documents with MongoDump. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have MongoDB installed on your machine. Open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the directory where you want to store your backup. To create a backup of your MongoDB database, you will use the mongodump command. The basic syntax for the command is mongodump db database_name. Replace database_name with the name of the database you wish to backup. If you want to backup a specific collection, the command is mongodump db database_name collection_name. Replace collection_name with the name of the collection you want to backup. If your MongoDB server requires authentication, include the username and password flags in your command. You can also specify the host with the host flag to connect to a remote MongoDB instance. Optionally, add output_directory to define where the backup will be saved. This will create a directory containing the backup of your specified database or collection. Each collection will be stored as a BSON file, which is the binary representation of your MongoDB documents. Once the command runs successfully, you will see a confirmation message in the terminal. To ensure your backup was created, navigate to the output directory. Check for the presence of BSON files that correspond to your database or collection. When you're ready to restore your backup, you will use the mongostore command. Always remember to test your backups regularly to confirm their integrity. This concludes the tutorial on backing up MongoDB documents using MongoDump. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.